Hello, hi, and welcome back to my channel, you gorgeous people out there. If you have never seen my face before, hi, I'm Becky. It's nice to meet you and I hope you'll stick around for a while and enjoy my video. I know y'all, I look a little crazy, some might say disturbing, but anybody who's ever worn makeup can probably tell me what's missing to my face of makeup. Please tell me y'all. I'm gonna wait a second. What is it? For those of y'all who said lashes, that is correct. And the reason why I'm missing my lashes on this look currently is because I know I'm late on the trend and everything, but I wanted to try out magnetic lashes for the very first time. And for that, I went shopping with my sister and her boyfriend recently, and I came across these Art Deco magnetic lashes and eyeliner, and I just wanted to try them out. So this is what we're gonna do. We're just gonna dive right into me try out the magnetic lashes by Art Deco. Okay, so as you can see, it comes with like a very fancy looking eyeliner, as well as these huge, humongous eyelashes that I'm dying to try out. They look so crazy and big, like they're never gonna fit on my eye, are they? Let's see. Let's even see if they fit. I guess they fit. I'm not gonna cut them because I want to try them the way they are. I'm gonna read how to do this first. So, shake bottle well before use. Okay, so first, apparently, we're supposed to shake the eyeliner. If I can get it out of the freaking... out of the freaking packaging. Okay, this is not well thought through, I gotta say. This is terrible. Okay, shake bottle well before use. Use the liner to apply 2 thin layers at the base of the lashes and allow to dry completely. Close the liner tightly. Step 2. Place the magnetic lash strip on the line and attach with gentle pressure. After use, remove the lashes and remove the liner with an oily eye makeup remover. Once you have applied the magnetic lashes, do not crimp or use mascara. Note, keep this product out of reach for children, contains magnet or magnetic parts. Consult a doctor immediately if magnets are swallowed. People who use hearing aids, pacemakers, or defibrillators should not use this product or come in contact with it. Okay, why does that sound so scary? Alrighty, tidy. So, I think I've shaken this for long enough. So apparently, I just need to apply 2 thin layers at the lash line, which I'm super confused by. Why 2? But okay. That's what we're gonna do then. 2 thin layers. Alright, the second one is about to come. Now I've got to let it dry completely, which I am while I'm going to apply this to the other eyelid as well. Okay, now place the magnetic lash strip on the line and attach with gentle pressure. Okay, why is it itching? Like this eye is itching right now. I don't know why. Okay, so going to try I think it's working. Or not. Look. There. Not touch right here. Wow, the lashes, I gotta say, look fabulous. But let's see if the magnets are working. First of all, this lash is way too big for me, but this is, I guess, the downside of magnetic lashes, which I've never thought of. You can't cut them because there's only like a few pieces of magnets on there, so that's kind of annoying. So you can't adjust them to the size of your eye. But first lash is on, it's freaking big. There's only a few magnets on here. I don't know if you can see. It is a little concerning. So you can't really cut them into the right size because then they're not going to stay up as well, I guess. But we're going to move on to the other eye and then we're already done trying out magnetic eyelashes for the very first time. Okay, it does work though. Just the size of these lashes. Jesus Christ. It's crazy. Alright, y'all. They work. Is there anything else to say? Let's see if I can pull. Okay, I can pull gently. Nothing's happening. That's great. It looks weird though because they're so big. Okay, that's it. That's all I had to do and that's all I can say to the magnetic lashes. I hope you all liked me trying out magnetic lashes for the very first time. They do work. They are much too big. That is a downside of the magnetic lashes. I don't like that part, but that's just how it's gonna be from now on, I guess. And they are itching my eye a lot, but they are working. Okay, so have a great rest of your day and week, and I'll see you next Monday. Bye!